Crash course on Maryland State, USA. Geolocation. Maryland is located in the Mid-Atlantic region of the United States. It is bordered by Pennsylvania to the north, Delaware and the Atlantic Ocean to the east, Virginia and West Virginia to the south, and Washington, D.C. to the west. Capital. The capital of Maryland is Annapolis. Population. Maryland has a population of approximately 6.2 million people, making it the 19th most populous state in the United States. Economy. Maryland has a diverse economy that includes sectors such as technology, aerospace, biotechnology, healthcare, and manufacturing. The state is also known for its strong maritime industry and port facilities. Education. Maryland has a well-regarded education system, with prestigious universities and colleges. The University of Maryland, Johns Hopkins University, and the United States Naval Academy are among the prominent educational institutions in the state. Brief history. Maryland was one of the 13 original colonies and played a significant role in the early history of the United States. It was founded as a proprietary colony by Cecil Calvert, the second Lord Baltimore, in 1634. Maryland became known as a haven for religious freedom and tolerance. Cultures and politics. Maryland is a state with a rich cultural heritage influenced by various groups, including African Americans, Native Americans, and European settlers. The state has a diverse political landscape, with a mix of conservative and liberal viewpoints. Interesting stories, examples. 1. Chesapeake Bay. The Chesapeake Bay, located in Maryland, is the largest estuary in the United States. It is known for its scenic beauty, wildlife, and importance to the region's ecology and economy. 2. The Star-Spangled Banner. The national anthem of the United States, the Star-Spangled Banner, was written by Francis Scott Key during the War of 1812 in Baltimore, Maryland. The anthem commemorates the defense of Fort McHenry during the Battle of Baltimore. 3. Harriet Tubman and the Underground Railroad. Maryland was an important stop on the Underground Railroad, a network of secret routes and safe houses that helped enslaved individuals escape to freedom. Harriet Tubman, a prominent abolitionist, was born and raised in Maryland and played a crucial role in leading people to freedom. Top 12 attractions in Maryland. 1. Inner Harbor, Baltimore. 2. Assateague Island National Seashore. 3. Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum, St. Michael's. 4. Antietam National Battlefield, Sharpsburg. 5. National Aquarium, Baltimore. 6. Historic Annapolis. 7. Ocean City Boardwalk. 8. Fort McHenry National Monument and Historic Shrine, Baltimore. 9. Maryland Science Center, Baltimore. 10. Blackwater National Wildlife Refuge, Cambridge. 11. Catoctin Mountain Park, Thurmont. 12. Baltimore Museum of Art. In summary, Maryland offers a mix of historical sites, natural beauty, and cultural attractions. Its location on the Chesapeake Bay, rich history, and vibrant cities make it an intriguing destination to explore. Poem. In the heart of the Mid-Atlantic, by the Bay, Maryland stands proud in its own special way. From Annapolis, the capital by the water, to the Chesapeake Bay, nature's treasured daughter, where history echoes and cultures thrive, Maryland's stories keep memories alive. The Star-Spangled Banner, written with pride. Baltimore's Fort McHenry, where freedom stood beside. Harriet Tubman's bravery, guiding souls to flee along the Underground Railroad, toward the land of the free. The Inner Harbor's charm, Baltimore's vibrant soul, with the National Aquarium, where wonders unfold. Assateague Island's beauty, where wild horses roam. And Antietam's battlefield, where heroes found their home. From Annapolis' historic streets so grand, to Ocean City's boardwalk, where fun is always at hand. In Maryland, nature thrives, its beauty unsurpassed. Blackwater National Wildlife Refuge, a sanctuary vast. Catoctin Mountains Trails, a hiker's delight. And the Baltimore Museum of Art, a cultural highlight. Maryland, a state that holds stories untold, with attractions aplenty and adventures unfold. Come and explore, let your spirit take flight. In Maryland's embrace, discover joy and delight. Song. Verse 1. In Maryland, by the Chesapeake Bay, a place where stories come to play. From Annapolis to Baltimore's pride, where history and culture coincide. Chorus. Maryland, where the past unfolds, with beauty and charm that never grows old. From the inner harbor to Asadig's shore. Adventure and wonder await, that's for sure. Verse 2. The star-spangled banner waves in the breeze, reminding us of the land of the free. Harriet Tubman's courage, guiding the way through Maryland's landscapes, where freedom held sway. Chorus. Maryland, where the past unfolds, with beauty and charm that never grows old. From the inner harbor to Asadig's shore. Adventure and wonder await, that's for sure. Bridge. In Antietam's fields, heroes once fought, while Catoctin Mountain's beauty was sought. Blackwater Refuge, a haven so grand, and the Baltimore Museum of Art, where masterpieces stand. Chorus. Maryland, where the past unfolds, with beauty and charm that never grows old. From the inner harbor to Asadig's shore. Adventure and wonder await, that's for sure. Outro. So come to Maryland, a state full of grace, where memories are made in every embrace. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.